Hello everyone, I am Shoaib Alam. I live in Dum. I graduated from a Enroll Institute of Technology with a computer science and engineering in 2023. While I pursuing graduation, I was looking for an institute where I get hands-on experience. Then I got to know about Desun Academy from LinkedIn. Then I searched on Google. I found the Desun Academy website where I checked and learned about their reviews. That was very good. I decided to take a course from that institute and contact them. Their team guided me very nicely and I chose to learn web development course. In learning period, whenever I got stuck in concept or topic, the faculty explained me the concept peacefully in easy way. Here you can get a chance to work on live projects during the course, which is no doubt an extra advantages as you can get on hands-on experience. After completion of course, they also provide internship. So thank you Desun Academy and all faculty members for supporting me. Thank you.